is Shengyuan Liu. Today I will do a presentation of my project, which is one that I have worked on my third year software project module, and its name is Machine Learning Module for Growth Module Skills. I will provide 5 parts to cover the project, which are background, aims, methods, results, and conclusion. The purpose of this group project for students is to design and create machine learning modules for tracking growth module skills for our client in the SACSS department. Our client is doing research on the development of growth module skills in young children and has asked that we create a machine learning module to help track certain movements to be free to determine whenever children can perform the module skills, and hence the overall purpose of our project is to create a machine learning module that can recognize such module skills. This project will help our client spend more time on collecting data for his research rather than spending time developing the machine learning aspects by himself. Therefore, for the project goal, we were aiming to design and create a set of machine learning modules that would be able to identify the motion of a file and the information on the numbers of iteration in each file of that motion. We aim to have a graphical representation of some sort that would represent the motion data instead. Our machine learning module will implement both the front end and the back end, which will allow to ease of use by the client. The front end will be implement a simple file section system, which will allow the client to assign a JSON file to be read by the machine learning model. The backend will take the file selecting the selection system and phrase the JSON file into a readable data format. The system will have a pre-baked machine learning model that predicts motions at approximately 90 to 95 accuracy. We also aim to provide a technical document detail how the product was built and the development approach we took. So this document would make the application easier to continue work on the project after the module ends. There are two main methods we chose for our project. For the development of the machine learning model, we use the TensorFlow, which has a variety of machine learning language libraries which fitted our project requirements. And Python was our chosen language due to its compatibility with TensorFlow. And for our project result, our front end consists of GUI, which the client can use to upload files and receive results from the analyzer. To develop this GUI, we use PyQt5 library as it is the most powerful across-platform GUI library that suits what we were looking for to develop for the client. The intended functionality of the user interface is to allow the client to select or drag and drop files of JSONs, and clicking a button passes this file into the machine learning modules. The results from the analyzer appear on the GUI, and the user then has the opportunity to export the files and see a virtual representation of the file select. The backend is a machine learning based program. It is designed to take in a JSON file and determine what motion that the file contains. Our client provides us with a list of the possible motion it could be, and so the module will return whichever the file is most likely to be. The two ends up integrated together at a single application that has a 95% accuracy at depicting the motion. It also provides the client with a 3D virtual video on the motion select and to be displayed, which you can see on the right of the slide. During the working project, I met some challenges such as I was unfamiliar with new language and new technology. The data to train our machine learning module was so limited, and also our machine learning module was not being accurate enough at identifying motions, and sometimes my timetable crashed with other events. To solve them, I spent more time learning before jumping into code, and used individual frames to train modules to increase dataset. I also changed the module structure to a two-layer module and make communication more constantly. Overall, I finished the project completely and also get a great feedback from our client. I also learned a lot from this group project and am more familiar with work as a team or to be a team leader. That's all. Thanks for listening.